you've ever tried running a virtual machine on Linux, you've probably seen KVM and QEMU mentioned in the same breath. They're both essential, but they do very different jobs. Let's clear up the confusion and see how they actually work together. KVM stands for kernel-based virtual machine. It's not separate software you install, it's a kernel module that's part of Linux itself. That means it can manage virtual machines with almost no overhead, running them nearly as fast as your host system. It leverages Intel VT or AMD hardware features to handle the heavy lifting, so performance is close to bare metal. QEMU, short for Quick Emulator, is a flexible piece of software that can emulate an entire computer in software. It can mimic different processors, network cards, and storage controllers without any physical hardware changes. On its own, it's slower because every instruction is translated, but it's incredibly versatile for testing or running legacy systems. Here's the key relationship. QEMU handles the emulation of hardware devices like the virtual network card or disk. But for the actual execution of the guest operating system, it offloads that work to KVM. KVM takes over using the CPU's native virtualization support to run the VM efficiently. This partnership lets QEMU focus on flexibility while KVM delivers speed. So when would you use each? KVM is your go-to if you need fast, efficient virtual machines and your hardware supports it. QEMU shines when you need to emulate different architectures or run without hardware assist. Most Linux distributions package them together. Tools like Virt Manager use QEMU for device emulation and KVM for acceleration, giving you the best of both worlds. In a nutshell, KVM and QEMU aren't competitors, they're partners. KVM provides the hypervisor muscle, and QEMU provides the emulation brains. Next time you spin up a VM on Linux, you'll know exactly which part is doing what.